Documents required for the import of new machinery and equipment. 1. Automatic import license. 2. Packing list. Bill of lading for contracts. 5. Invoices. Instruction manual. 7. 3C data name, specification, model, quantity, amount, place of origin, date of manufacture, purpose, place of use, product picture. Machinery and equipment import customs declaration and clearance process. Before importing, do an import feasibility analysis according to the degree of new and old machinery and equipment, customs commodity inspection supervision conditions, and customer needs. Confirm in advance what qualifications are required for import customs declaration and prepare in advance. Formulate a customs declaration plan for machinery and equipment import based on the regulatory characteristics of machinery and equipment, customer needs, and objective facts. Avoid unnecessary risk in advance. 3. Notify foreign shipments and prepare relevant materials. Fill in the delivery documents and send relevant materials as agreed. 4. Before arriving in Hong Kong, do a good job of paperless signing of electronic commissions in advance. 5. Arrival at the port for import inspection, customs declaration, tax payment, inspection and release of goods. 6. Settlement of warehouse rent, expensive rents and other expenses, and appointment for trailer delivery. Please send tax receipts and documents, and guide foreign exchange payment and deductions. Precautions during the import of machinery and equipment. First, the customs tax rate for complete sets of machinery and equipment is 8% and the value-added tax rate is 13%. When importing complete sets of machinery and equipment for customs inspection and declaration, the customs will focus on reviewing the correctness of the declared CIF price and customs cost. Each importer should pay attention to truthfully declare the price. If the customs has any objection to the declared price, the importer needs to supplement the price certification documents. 3. Import inspection and customs declaration of complete sets of machinery and equipment. When the customs needs to inspect, it will generally check whether the machinery and equipment have nameplates and whether the nameplate information is consistent with the declaration document information. 4. Complete sets of machinery and equipment are often packaged in wooden boxes to protect the equipment. However, the Customs and Quarantine Department has special requirements for the wooden packaging used, because wood packaging may carry foreign species or bacteria into the domestic ecological citizen safety has great damage and latent risk. The Customs and Quarantine Department will focus on the inspection of machinery and equipment packaging products. Wooden packaging must have IPPC fumigation labels, and fumigation labels must be correct. The complete sets of imported machinery and equipment, such as regulatory conditions involving legal inspection. After such goods are inspected and released at the customs quarantine part of the port, the equipment needs to be assembled and debugged at the place. After the debugging is completed, the customs inspection department of the enterprise's territory needs to come to the door to accept the imported machinery and equipment that has passed the acceptance inspection can be produced and used.